ELAM structures from laminated wood systems are the best choice for use in unguide, semi-guide, dead-end, switch, and tangent applications. Since 1992, Laminated Wood Systems has been the leader in supplying engineered laminated wood utility structures. LWS's engineering expertise and sales support is unmatched in the industry. Made from an abundant, renewable, managed growth timber resource, ELAM structures are not subject to shortages or surcharges like other engineered materials. LWS utilizes a nationwide manufacturing and treating network that allows for ELAM structures to be delivered in just 6 to 8 weeks after drawing approval. Each structure arrives as a complete kit that includes all foundation and attachment hardware, allowing for quick and easy installation in the field. This video will showcase the most common steps involved in the proper installation of ELAM structures. Since each ELAM structure is designed for site-specific applications, installation techniques may vary slightly from what is shown in this video. All ELAM poles arrive along with a crated hardware kit that is clearly identified and matched with the structure. Hardware crates will include all pole hardware, foundation angles, bolts, drawings, and material lists. ELAM structures are pre-drilled for easy assembly. Should it be necessary to modify a pole in the field, ELAM poles can be drilled using standard tools. Once all appropriate hardware, insulators, and arms have been attached, the structure is ready for installation. All established safety practices should be observed while setting ELAM poles. Crews should also familiarize themselves with the printed structure installation guidelines supplied in the hardware crate. Installing ELAM poles is very similar to installing round wood poles. The process begins by augering the hole. The diameter and depth of the hole is specified by LWS engineers and is shown on the included installation drawing. ELAM poles should be handled using a standard cable or chain choker. LWS does not recommend using a woven strap or sling, as these may slip while lifting. The balance point and treated weight are clearly marked on the pole, and it should be lifted just above the balance point to maintain safe orientation and control as the pole is set. Once the pole is set, it should be plumbed and raked according to the distance specified on the LWS drawing. Unguide angle structures are typically oriented to bisect the angle and can be adjusted using a cant hook. LWS supplies installation drawings for all applications to give direction on proper orientation and pole raking. ELAM structures are most often backfilled with select aggregate or slurry that is tamped as it is added around the pole foundation. Native soil should never be used to backfill an ELAM pole. LWS engineers may recommend that a culvert be used to contain the aggregate in soft soil conditions. For more information on ELAM engineered laminated wood structures or any of the other innovative products available from LWS, call 800-949-3526 or visit lwsinc.com today.